Welcome back once again. Class 12 CBSE Maths Sample Question Paper 2026. Question number 24. If x plus f of x plus y is equal to f of x f of y for all x and y element of R, and f of 5 is equal to and f dash 0 is equal to 3, then using the definition of derivatives, find f dash 5. Here the question says definition of derivatives, using definition of derivatives. It means using the formula f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Using this formula, we will solve this question. Here we are going to put x is equal to 5. Then f dash of 5 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 5 plus h minus f of 5 divided by h. Here given f of 5 is equal to 2 values. Before that, we know that f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Apply this in f of h plus 5 plus h. Then limit h tends to 0 f of 5 plus f of h minus f of 5 the whole divided by h. That's equal to f dash of 5 is equal to limit h tends to 0. We'll putting f of 5 is equal to 2. That is 2 into f of h minus 2 divided by h. Take this 2 as common. Limit h tends to 0. 2 into f of h minus 1 divided by h. 2 is a constant, so I'll take it out. F dash of 5 is equal to 2 into limit h tends to 0 f of h minus 1 divided by h. So mark this as equation 1. We will use it later. Now putting x is equal to 0 in the definition of derivatives, we have f dash 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. Here also f of a plus b is equal to f of a into f of b. It's given that f dash of 0 is equal to 3. This we can write as f dash of 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 divided by h. Here put f dash 0 is equal to 3. That is 3 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 divided by h. This is marked as equation 2. Here given that f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y and f of 5 is equal to 2. Here we will putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. Then we have f of 0 plus 5, that's equal to f of 0 into f of 5. That is f of 5 is equal to f of 0 into f of 5. Putting f of 5 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2 into f of 0. That is f of 0 is equal to 1. Now putting f of 0 is 1 in equation 2. That is limit h tends to 0. F of h minus f of 0 divided by h is equal to 3. That is limit h tends to 0. F of h minus 1 divided by h is equal to 3. So this is marked as 4. Now we will put the equation, fourth equation in equation 1. What is equation 1? F dash of 5 is equal to 2 into limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 divided by h. Here we will get this term, f of h minus 1 divided by h is equal to 3. So put that here. Then f dash of 5 is equal to 2 into 3, that's equal to 6. That is f dash 5 is equal to 6. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12